Bonjour everybody, hope you're great. So today in this video is gonna be cleansing. Yes, beautiful skin start with cleansing. So I'm gonna show you, that's why I have a heavy makeup right there, because I'm gonna teach you step 1, 2, 3 and 4 how to clean, remove everything you have from your makeup during the day, because it's important to take it off all your makeup before sleep, of course. So step 1, I'm just gonna give you a little bit resume. Step 1, of course, is obligation. If you have heavy makeup like me, full coverage and everything like that, you should remove your makeup. Step 2, you have to cleanse your skin. Step 3, you have to exfoliate, because that's gonna help to all the bad skins came out and you're gonna have a beautiful skin like me. And step 4, we have to tone with a beautiful toner gel we have here for moisturize your skin, and voila, you're ready to sleep. So let's start it right now. Step 1, we have to remove the makeup. So bye-bye full coverage. So I'm gonna use the deep cleansing oil. So this one, they have sweet almond, avocado and coconut. So step 2, we're gonna cleanse. So you can see like the deep cleansing oil is taking off everything. I feel fresh, I feel reborn. So I'm gonna use, for clean my face, I'm gonna use, so this one is the Cooling Cream Soap Cleanser. So this one, they have oatmeal and they have artichoke. So we're gonna apply it for clean my face. So step 3, when my skin is already clean, we're gonna use this one. So this one, you should exfoliate it with the gentle rose petal scrub. This one, they have sugar crystal and rose petal. Perfect. For step 4, we gotta tone with this beautiful product, and this one is the Smoothing Rose Petal Gel Toner. So this one have Gallica Extra. So you can see I do all the 4 steps very easy, and you see I remove my makeup, I clean my face, I exfoliate it, and I toner with a beautiful gel, and my skin is smooth. After all these steps, you can put your moisturizer, your serum, etc. and go sleep right away, because the skin is fresh, it's clean, and it's beautiful. So that's why, don't forget, beauty skin start with cleansing. So thank you for watching this video, and see you